Hi, my name is Catherine Pardo and this is a presentation of FlashMob. What is a FlashMob? It's a group of people who give a choreographed but unannounced performance in public space, also known as the light crowd, by meeting suddenly in a public place and with little time dispersed. They are usually convinced through social media, where they coordinate and act jointly. The term was taken for the first time in 2002 in the book of the socialist Howard Ringel. The book's name is Smart Mobs, the Next Socialist Revolution. And the first FlashMob was organized on June 17 in 2003 in New York, agreeing with the book. Now I want to show you where is the most famous FlashMob in history, or for me the most interesting. First one, I select the Black Eyed Peas or relation with that. Opera surprised with the audience stand up and began a coordinate dance routine to their hit song I Got the Feeling. Second one is was in Mexico. The signs of this Flash made up Guinness World Records with nearly 14,000 people performing the choreography of Michael Jackson Thriller. Finally, in January 2009 in Liverpool Street Station, suddenly broke into a song dance as 14,000 tourists and staff members. That is crazy how people coordinated and make this dance.
Okay, let's do it. 5 minutes. Hey, I can start it for you.
Fernando Alonso Diaz, as the video said, is a Spanish racing driver who won the Formula One World Championship in 2005 and 2006 for the Renault team. He is often regarded as one of the greatest Formula One drivers in the history of the sport. Fernando Alonso thinks he is going to a press conference in Manhattan, but there he had a great surprise in store, which left him speechless when the crowd began to whistle as if they were Ferraris. All this was organized by Banco Santander and went viral almost immediately. I like this flash a lot because it was very creative, in addition to paying tribute to this important competitor. And the coordination was interesting and funny. I want to mark that the use of children in these activities can be good, and if it's a publicity space can be better. And yeah, that's all for the FlashMob in my presentation, and thank you.